Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this reddish brown closure wig from Remyfortehair. We are going to really get into this video. I heard the girlies were looking for a perfect fall wig, and you know, we might have found her here. We might have found her. So Remyforte actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and jump into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig and see what she's looking like today, what we're working with, and what it's giving. Let's see. Ooh, it's giving Beetlejuice a little bit. Okay. Kind of giving Beetlejuice. I like the box already. Let's see. So bam, here it is, Remyforte. You see their branding on it. Like, it looks like an optical illusion. Like, that's kind of cutesy. Interesting, cutesy. Ooh, okay. Look at this. This is like reddish brown. It's like red, but you know, not like intense, not burgundy, but brown. So I like that. This is a nice little fall look we have here. So I'm gonna sit that to the side right now. And it does come with a wig cap and lace tape. So, okay, let's look at this wig. So, it does have a little tag on it. This is their 4x6 lace wig, 26 inches, and this is the color 33B. Okay. Let's see how she's looking. Ooh, I do like the curl pattern too. You know, it's not like too tight of a curl. This is like a nice waviness curl. It's definitely giving fall. So let me take this out. Well, let me show you all the lace. So here is the lace. It is already parted in the middle. Let's look at the inside. Nice cap, got a little elastic on the inside so that it is pretty grippy and you don't have to worry about too much of it sliding everywhere. But let's go ahead and put this wig on and see what we're working with. Let me turn on my hot comb, because honestly, it's not gonna take too much work to install this wig at all. This is gonna be really fast, you guys. So the only thing I'm going to do is spray the lace with a little bit of lace tint. I'm just spraying the lace with a little bit of lace tint. I want to make it just a little bit darker and closer to my skin tone. So this is just lace tint in the color medium brown. Let's see what we're working with here. Bam, 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 bam. Bam. Okay, and now let's put this wig on and see how she's looking. Ooh, okay. Cutesy. Interesting. So you really do not need glue for this wig at all. Like, you don't need glue. Let's put a little bit of mousse on it and kind of shape the wig how we want it to be and make sure we get that part super defined. And like, honestly, it's giving the Little Mermaid a little bit. It's giving the Little Mermaid. So if you want something that's red but nothing too like Ariel from the Little Mermaid, or nothing that's like red, sexy red looking, like, yeah, this is a good color for you. So let's kind of mousse this down and we're gonna hit it with the hot comb. Hit it with the hot comb a little bit. Let me fix this part because I feel like it's not just in the middle. Uh-oh, Tommy woke up from his nap. Tommy is up, you guys. Time, stop. Okay, let's hit it with the hot comb again. Okay, it looks very cutesy. I do think I want to make the part a little wider, so I'm just gonna pluck it a little bit in the middle, and we're gonna add a little makeup to the part, because when you have like colored hair, you do need your part to stick out a little more, but because the hair is a little lighter, it does need like a little extra makeup or something in it a lot of times. Okay, bam. Ooh, okay, now we looking cutesy. Now we looking cutesy. I'm feeling this. Okay. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of makeup to the middle part, make the middle part pop. This is just a little concealer. This is the concealer I normally use on my eyebrows. So we're just gonna. Little extra moves, extra moves. And bam, you guys, like, that's it. She looks really, really cutesy, really cutesy. Let me do a little extra plucking up here, just add it, make it look a little more natural, thin it out the hairline a little bit. It's really not a lot of work at all because this is a 4x6 opposed to it being like a frontal or something. So it's pretty easy to work with, you guys. If you are more new to wearing wigs, you definitely do want to start off with maybe a closure or something. If you are a bit worried about, oh my goodness, how am I going to be able to make this look natural? Yeah, a nice little closure like this is definitely the way to go. And yeah, you guys, that is it. Like, she's super pretty. Okay, so this is how long it is on me. I am 5'7", so this is how long it is. Bam, bam, bam. It does come down here. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very pretty, you guys. So, of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Bye, guys.